In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate reviews on Shopify. If you're selling to customers in different countries, having reviews in their own language can really improve trust and conversion. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to handle this using a popular reviews app called judge.me. We're not changing any code or doing anything technical. We're just going to use the built-in options inside the app. To start, go to your Shopify admin. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. This lets you quickly search for apps without browsing through menus. In the search field, type judge.me and press enter on your keyboard. Shopify will open the app listing in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click the install button and then follow the installation prompts. Just confirm the permissions and wait for the app to finish installing. Once that's done, you'll be taken into the judge.me dashboard. Inside the judge.me dashboard, look at the left-hand panel. You'll see different sections related to reviews. Find the section labeled for reviews, and under that, click on Settings. This is where all of the configuration options for your widgets, emails, and translations live, so it's worth remembering where this is. Now that you're inside the settings area, look again at the left side where the settings menu is. Scroll down that panel until you find an option called Language, and then click it. This is the section where we control how languages and translations are handled across your review widgets. Within the language settings page, scroll down until you see a section called Widgets and Translations. This is the key area for making your reviews multilingual. Under this section, check the box labeled Enable Multi-Language Widget. Turning this on allows judge.me to detect your store's current language, show reviews that are written in the same language, and optionally hide reviews that are in other languages if you prefer a cleaner experience. Just below that, you'll see more options. You can check the box that says Show Reviews in the customer's language first. This helps prioritize what your visitors see, especially if they browse in a language that's different from your main store language. Also, make sure to enable review translations. This allows reviews to be translated when needed, so shoppers can read feedback even if it was originally written in another language. Once you've adjusted all of these options, don't forget the final step. At the top of the page, near the search bar, click the Save button. This applies all your changes. After saving, your review widgets will start respecting these language and translation settings across your Shopify store.